In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a global website header in GoHighLevel. A global header keeps your branding consistent across your entire site and lets you update it once instead of editing every page individually. Here's how to set it up quickly and correctly. Start by logging into your GoHighLevel account and opening your dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, click Sites, then choose the Websites area. From the list, select the website you want to work on so you're editing the correct project. Next, open Pages. Pick a page that already has the header layout you want to standardize, and click Edit to launch the page builder. Inside the builder, you'll select the entire header section so it can be saved. Move your cursor to the outer edge of the header until the whole section is highlighted in green. That green outline is important. It confirms you've selected the full section, not just a single element like a logo, a menu link, or a column. If you don't see the green highlight, try hovering slightly outside the content, or use the builder's breadcrumb trail to jump up to the section level. With the header section selected, click the Save icon at the top of the builder. When the prompt appears, choose to save the section. Give your saved section a clear descriptive name that you and your team will recognize later, such as Global Header Primary. Consistent naming makes it much easier to manage as your site grows. Before you finalize, set this as a global section. Select the Global Sections option so GoHighLevel treats it as a master version that can sync across pages. This is the key step that turns a normal saved section into a global one. Once you've named it and chosen Global Sections, click Save to confirm. The section is now stored as a global header in your account. A few quick best practices as you work. Make sure you truly captured the entire header by verifying the green section highlight. Avoid saving placeholders or test elements inside the header so your global version stays clean. And use a naming convention that reflects the header's purpose, like main, minimal, or campaign, to prevent confusion later. That's it. You've created a global website header in GoHighLevel. From now on, whenever you update this global header, your changes will automatically apply everywhere it's used, saving time and keeping your site consistent.